Trading is closed on July 12th, 2022. We always begin with our disclaimer, so let us do that. My trading plan for tomorrow, Wednesday, July 13th. Please remember I can be completely wrong, and any trade you make should be at your own risk. Well, I had a target of 38.71.43. I was pretty negative and thought it might not print, but it did print, and there was resistance right over the target. We had a long-standing target of undercutting this low. Here's the wall, here's the gap. There typically is support under that low. Here we undercut the low by 10 cents, so that met the criteria. I thought that was close enough so that support wouldn't hold, and eventually it did break, but it didn't break as soon as I thought it would. The one thing which didn't play out properly was commonest thing after yesterday's mixed signals was the commonest thing is a gap and a prompt move outside the day's range. They don't have to be in the same direction, and there was a prompt move outside the range, but I can't call that a gap. So here's what we said. So it wouldn't take too much more to make the decline irrecoverable. I don't see any signs of recovery yet. During the day, MEJT said this rally was false. The price would pull back, which they did. Said this rally was false. They retrace. Gave a sell signal here. We got the minimum target immediately, but nothing requires us to stop at the minimum, and obviously we didn't stop at the minimum. This is normally a positive pattern. When it isn't positive, you drop in a straight line. That's it. And typically these straight line drops are followed by further weakness. And that's what I think is going to happen. Wednesday's pattern has the early high. We could still gap down. Today's normally bullish pattern was negative instead, bearish instead. Should lead to lower prices. Printing tomorrow doesn't guarantee we're going to close lower though. So this is still pretty negative stuff. We don't have to drop right from the close. We don't have to drop in a straight line. But I do think we're going to trade under today's close at some point tomorrow, and that's today's call.